Hey, what's going on, guys? Medrano here, and today I'm going to talk about how to be healthier during quarantine. So, a lot of crazy things are happening no matter what part of the world you are. Um, I'm from California, so we're in full lockdown effect pretty much right now. We're kind of going in reverse. But the very first thing that I want to recommend, I want to talk to you guys on how to be healthier during quarantine is not to stress. So, rule number one, don't stress. The reason being is there's only so much you could do, guys. There's a lot of things happening in the world, a lot of things that we have no control over. But what you can control is what's going on in your circle, what's going on in your home, in your life, with your goals, your family, your friends. That you do have control of. So, what I do want you guys to realize is that it's okay to inform yourself on what's going on with the world, but that's just it. Inform yourself, disconnect, and get on with your life. You want to make sure you keep track and you stay on track with your goals and what you want to do. There's no reason why you shouldn't keep living your life and keep reaching and accomplishing your goals and doing positive things. Bad things are going to happen, and I guarantee you more bad things are going to keep happening, but you want to stay positive. You don't want to stress out. Stress releases cortisol, and cortisol has a very negative impact in your life. It increases your fat levels. It could be bad for your heart, blood pressure. All these things that is not physical will become physical just because you're stressing out. Stressing out just releases that hormone that just throws your whole body into whack. So no matter what you do, if you feel like you're working out hard, you're eating healthy, but you're stressing out, you're releasing that hormone that's caused by stress, and you're just setting yourself backwards. So rule number one, most important, don't stress. All right, guys, rule number two is get plenty of sleep, get plenty of rest. Recommended sleep hours is 6 to 8 hours. So definitely recommend getting enough sleep. Your body needs time to recover, to rest, to be able to regenerate, so you could have a successful day. If you're having trouble sleeping, I sometimes do it is I'll have a tea right before bedtime. That helps me sleep, helps me relax. Some CBD oil is also good for that, helps you relax and mellow out and go to sleep. Another thing too is just wake up early. Wake up early. If you get up early and you're productive, you start doing stuff, by the time it gets night, you're gonna be tired. So don't be lazy. Just get up early, get stuff that you need to get done. By the time it's late, you've done everything you could. But if you can't sleep, make sure you take something like a tea, some CBD oil. I recommend. It's helped me in the past. But very important, get enough sleep to help you stay healthier during this quarantine. Okay, guys, tip number three is drink more water, and I can't say that enough. For males, the recommended consumption is 3.5 liters. For females, it's 2.5 liters. Depending on the circumstances, obviously, if you live in a hot area, if it's a hot day, obviously you need to drink more. If you're exercising, if you take supplements, those factors, you have to drink even more. But always remember, you got to drink your water, because it's going to help you regulate your body temperature, get rid of illnesses through your body, get them out, all the waste that needs to be out. It's really important that you drink that. Most people are not drinking enough water, and it's very important to stay healthy during this quarantine, to make sure that you're fully regulating your body and flushing it out by drinking enough water. All right, guys, the next tip that I want to talk about is exercise. Definitely gotta make time to do some exercise during this time, because now more than ever, you want to be able to strengthen your immune system. You want to be able to be healthy and improve your cardiovascular health. By doing that, you can just train from home. It's very easy to train from home if you follow the right program, or you just do the right exercise and you put in the right effort. It's not too hard. A brisk walk, some jogging, some bodyweight circuits that you've seen me do in my YouTube videos. I'll post even more of those coming soon. Burpees, push-ups. The main thing is to get it going. Get some exercise going, burn those calories, improve your immune system and cardiovascular health. And that's a surefire way to help you be stronger during quarantine. Okay, guys, and most importantly, I want to talk to you guys about nutrition. It's really important that you're fueling yourself with quality ingredients. Yeah, so I've been getting some meal plans from the Green Chef. Green Chef is a certified USDA organic company. Meal plans include plant-powered, vegan, keto, paleo, family, and balanced living. So you get plenty to choose from. It'll adapt to any lifestyle that you have. The way I got it, which is really cool, is they make sure that it's really safe delivery, and they put it in safely with everything, and they include a block of ice at the bottom so everything's nice and fresh. Green Chef offers contactless delivery to your doorstep for easy home cooking. Everything is hand-picked and delivered right to your door. Ingredients come pre-measured, perfectly portioned, and mostly prepped. Recipes are quick and easy with step-by-step instructions, chef tips, and photos to guide you along. Green Chef lets you choose from a wide array of easy-to-follow lifestyles with select organic ingredients. Recipes include pre-made measured sauces, dressings, and spices so you can get more flavor in less time. Guys, another thing I want to talk about and reiterate is starting your day right in a positive note. Like I mentioned before, there's a lot of craziness that's happening in the news. A lot of things that are really going on in social media. You want to disconnect. Just inform yourself. Disconnect. Start your day on a positive note. Write a to-do list on what you want to accomplish for the day. Read a motivating book or watch a motivating video clip in the morning to start your day on a positive mindset. And then from there, start your day and finish your day with everything that you need to do. Wow, that was really good. I really enjoyed it. The flavors are really good. I really like the fact that they give you all the ingredients. All the measurements are done correctly, so you get all the flavors for the seasoning. Everything tastes great. Again, they have different diet preferences, so whether it's paleo, keto, plant-powered, many options to fit any lifestyle. I definitely do recommend it. It makes things a lot easier. To redeem, if you guys want to try these out, use my coupon code FrankMedrano80 to get $80 off your first 3 weeks, including free shipping on your first box with purchase. Go to greenchef.us/FrankMedrano80 to redeem and for more details. Okay guys, those were 5 things on how to live a healthier life during quarantine. Again, to recap, don't stress, drink more water, get enough sleep, rest, get in some exercise, and eat a more healthier, wholesome, balanced diet. If you can do those things, it'll help you get through these hard times that we're going through right now. Comment down below what you'd like to see next as far as workouts. I'm going to be creating some more soon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.